Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will draw isometric view of equilateral triangle base, prism and pyramid having base edge 40 and height 50. Right? It's an equilateral triangle, so all the sides will be 40 and height is given as 50. Before that, if you are facing any problem in any of the topic, so please always post your comment. And if you want the video on any particular topic, so please write it in comment. I will upload that video. So let's draw this. So to draw the isometric view of the equilateral triangle base prism or pyramid, first we have to draw the triangle here, the top view of the triangle. So it is given that the base edge is 40 mm. So first draw the equilateral triangle of 40 mm. This is 40. So we want the equilateral triangle. So all the sides will be 40. So now for this side, take an arc of 40 and take an arc of 40 from this side. Both the sides take an arc of 40 mm. You can also use the protractor with the angle 60 degree. So now this is the equilateral triangle of base edge 40 mm. Now second step. Second, we have to enclose this triangle into a frame. So here whenever you are drawing the line, to get the correct size, you have to draw the exactly horizontal and vertical line here. So now we'll check the size of this frame. This dimension will be 40. This is understood because it is equal to the base edge. One more thing is there, this drawing is not a rough work. You have to show this drawing because you are measuring the dimensions of the frame which you will convert in isometric plane. So you have to write these all the dimensions, you have to show this drawing. Now take the extension line. Here also take the extension line. And draw the dimension line. So this dimension is, this is 34, in between 34 and 35. Let's check it from this side. Here it is exactly 35 because there may be some error in this line. It may get deflected. So whenever you are drawing these lines, this should be vertical and horizontal only. So we'll consider 35. So now let's convert this drawing in the isometric view. If you have any doubt in the difference between isometric view and in isometric projection, one video has been already uploaded. The link is available in the description box. You can just refer to that video. So now very first, you have to measure the angle of 30 degree both the sides, 0, 10, 20, 30. Similarly from this side, zero, 10, 20 and 30. We have measured the angle of 30 degree both the sides. So now we'll draw two isometric lines here. These are the two isometric lines, 30 degree left side and 30 degree right side. So let's write the name of the vertices here. let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's convert this rectangle in the isometric plane here. This dimension 1 and 2 is 40 mm. So we have selected 1 as a pole point. This is 1. This is the pole point. This is 2. So this is 40 mm. Now we'll draw 1 and 4. 1, 4. So whatever the dimension is here, just copy it here. So here we can write as 1, 4. Now next you want is we have to draw the either 4, 3 or 2, 3. So 2, 3 is equal to this 1, 4. So from this point 2, we will draw the arc. So here we'll get the point number 3 on this arc. 2, 3. 2, 3 is equal to 1, 4. Now we'll draw 4, 3. So 4, 3 is equal to 40 mm. You can see 4, 3 and 1, 2 is equal. So from this point number 4, we will take one more arc. So this is the intersection here. So now this is the line 2, 3. This is the line 4, 1. So here you can see both the lines are parallel to each other. Both the lines are parallel to each other. This is point number 3. So you can verify it from here. 1, 4. This is 1, 4. This is 1, 2. This is 1, 2. 2, 3. This is 2, 3. So you can copy these all the dimensions here. Now we'll figure out the triangle in this geometry. So this triangle 1, 2, let's say this is 0.5. So these are the three vertices of the triangle 1, 2 and 5. So 1 is already here, 2 is already here, 40 mm. The third vertex is 5. So 5 is the midpoint of 3, 4. This is point number 5. Point 5 is at midpoint of 3 and 4. So now you can join these all the points. Here this measurement may be equal to 40, maybe less than 40, maybe more than 40. Don't worry, but still it will give you the appearance of the equilateral triangle in isometric. Right? So now we have to convert this into either prism or pyramid. So first we'll see the pyramid. If you want to convert this into a pyramid, you have to find out the centroid of this triangle. I'm saying centroid of this triangle, not centroid of the rectangle. We'll find the centroid of the triangle. So let's see the centroid of this triangle. First take the midpoint of line 1, 2 and draw one chain line from 5. So this is the symmetry in isometric view. Now let's take the midpoint of 2 and 5. So this is equal to 40, 41, 42, 43. So 43, half of 43 is 21.5. So this is 20, 21. Sorry, this is 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. This is 48. So half of 48 is 24. So here is the midpoint. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 centimeter, 40 mm, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. So half of 48 mm is 24. This is 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So now draw one center line from 1. This is the centroid of this triangle base. So height is now 50 mm. Here you have to take care for this thing. Height should be a vertical line always. The height should be always a vertical line. You have to show the axis by using the chain type of line. So this is the axis of this pyramid. Right? So now you can join this tip with all the vertices. This one first, second, and this is third. We will see it. We will join this with the vertex 5, vertex 1, and this is 2. We'll convert this outline in the thick line. The visible outline should be continuous thick line. So this is the isometric view of equilateral triangle base pyramid. So if you want to convert it into a prism, so for prism you have to take the height from all the 3 vertices of this base. 1, 2 and 3. Let's see how to take the height. First we'll take the height of 50 mm from 0.5. This is the height from the 0.5. Now we'll take the height from 0.1. You have to take care for this thing. Height should be always vertical line. This is height 50. You can see this is the height of 50 mm. Vertical line. Now I'll take the height from this point. So now we have taken the height from all the 3 points. 1, 2 and 5. Right? All the heights are 50 mm, just like a construction of building. So now you can join all the tips. This is 50. This is line at the height of 50 mm. Now this is the edge 1, 2. And this is the edge number 2 and 5. Now this is the equilateral triangle base prism. So we'll highlight these lines also. Basically you got the same isometric view of triangle at the height of 50 mm. So here we can say one more thing. In case of pyramid, find out the centroid and take the height from the centroid. In case of prism, take the height from all the 3 vertices, right? So this red color, this one is prism and this one is pyramid, triangle based pyramid. So we'll see the dimensions also. For dimensions you have to use the isometric lines. Align your scale with this existing line, extension line. Take second extension line from here. Now the scale is almost parallel to this line. It should be parallel. If you are unable to make the parallel line, just measure this angle 60 degree here. Here it is 120. So basically it should be parallel to this. So this is 40. So if you want to write the height of the pyramid, so you can take the extension line from the centroid, because this line is already at 30 degree. Here we will take the height of 50. So now if you join this apex with this end point, it will give you the appearance of a parallelogram. This height and this dimension line. These two lines and these two extension lines. So it means to say this line, this extension is parallel to this extension. Dimension line is parallel to this axis. So here you can write the height of the object. So this height is 50. Still, if you have any doubt or any question, please post your comment and subscribe to the channel, please. Thank you so much.